Hey everybody, Life's Journey here. So today I wanted to talk about drones. And do you use a drone for any footage that you do out there? And I think the bigger question for the audience, since a lot of you probably are not doing YouTube or any of the content, do you actually like drone footage in videos? And do you think it helps or whatever? So the reason why I asked that question is a lot of times it is very difficult to actually get out the drone and use it. I used very little of it in my trip to Idaho. There were some great shots that I did get, and a lot of times you're in the flow and it just is very difficult to stop, get out the drone, get kind of everything set up and kind of go through that process. And I struggle with that because over the last probably 3-4 years, I've done a lot more group riding. Like I do BDRs. I'm with a bunch of guys, with a bunch of my buddies and stuff like that. And don't get a lot of chance, like I said, pull it. Because by the time you stop, unpack it, get it calibrated, get it up in the sky, and then do your thing, you're going to spend probably minimum of an extra 20 minutes to a half hour. Just between unpacking, getting it set up, repacking it, and then obviously you got to do the footage. And now, a lot of times you guys can see, it can go further and you can do a lot of stuff with it. But unless you have a real high dollar drone, if you guys have watched like Adam Ryman, who does a fantastic job on his videos, but he has a Mavic 4 Pro. Now, I just got one, so over here, I actually have 3 drones. I have the DJI Air2S, I have the DJI Mini Pro 5, and then I have the Mavic 4 Pro. And so now the 4 Pro and the Mini 5 are new. I actually have a original Mini 2 that I don't use anymore. And I've been using nothing but the DJI Air2S, which has been a fantastic drone, but it doesn't have as many sensors as some of the new ones that I purchased for this year. And I feel like drone footage is kind of nice to have, but again, my thing comes down to, for my audience here, and again, please comment, is does drone footage really make a difference to you or not? I think it's nice. It's a nice to have, maybe not a need to have, and it's an investment. Those drones are not cheap by any means, but it is, like I said, it's a pain in the butt to get them up and running. And I just thought I would, throw this content out here to say, hey, drone footage is fun, but if I was traveling by myself, it's not a big deal. Like and I've done that before where I'm by myself, so I could stop at any given moment, throw the drone up. And now that I have the 5 and the Mavic 4 Pro, now the Mavic 4 Pro is pretty expensive. I don't know how much I'll be riding around with that on it, even though I have a hard case for it and stuff like that. It's just pretty expensive drone. And last thing I want to do is damage anything, especially with the new laws against DJI and stuff like that and getting repairs for it. But the Mini 5 actually has more sensors on it than the Air 2S, and it'll follow and kind of do all that stuff. But again, if I'm by myself, that's one thing. I could stop, put it up in the air, get some nice footage and stuff like that. I was on some of the sections in Wyoming by myself, and I was able to do that. Hopefully I can get all that footage and put it into this video and show you. I was in Colombia, did some drone footage. I actually enjoyed that. I couldn't get myself riding there. I got the rest of the team riding there just because I couldn't get the sensor to work or whatever to track since I've had that repaired and stuff like that, and did some stuff in Colorado. But yeah, I've carried the drone quite a bit with me and haven't really used it to its full capabilities. And I was just curious, again, as I threw this out here, do you like drone footage or don't you? And sometimes, like I said, to me, it's a nice to have. When I really missed not putting the drone up when we did Idaho and we did the Grizzly Mountain thing. I wish I would have kind of got it up there and did some stuff with it, but I didn't. and I feel like there's potential to use the drone more. And I think I'm asking this question more because I do watch Adam Ryman's videos a lot and some other folks, and I'm like, man, it'd be kind of nice to have some of that drone footage or whatever. But again, it's kind of, I guess, certain situations, you got to kind of have the right moment to do it. And you just got to take the time to do it. Like I said, it's not easy. It's you got to carry an extra case. It's just more baggage you got to carry, especially if you're already loaded up for a BDR and stuff like that. I usually carry probably versus anybody else doing a BDR, I have just about 20 pounds just between my case and my camera equipment, including batteries and stuff like that. So it's a lot, but drone footage is great. I love it. It does serve its purpose. I do get some great snapshots. I did over the last couple of years. I was able to do some stuff at Soggy Bottom. I was able to do stuff at Whale and Wayne. And I think, with the purchase of the 2 new drones this year, depending on where I'm at and kind of what I'm doing, I think that's going to be kind of a factor for some of my videos going forward, is trying to get some more drone footage in there. So anyway, again, like I said, it's winter. It's flipping been 0 to 5 degrees or negative or whatever, and not getting a lot of riding videos in, but I thought I'd ask questions about this coming year and give me some ideas around, do I need more drone footage? Do you like it? Do you don't like it? So please chime in and let me know. So, all right, folks, that's what it is. I got 3, actually I have 4 drones. I know it's overkill like everything else I do here. But testing a couple of new ones out this year to see what that's all about. And adding it to the channel, for you guys. So again, it's just an investment to, do a little bit more content and maybe a little bit different perspective of where I'm traveling and what I'm doing, and kind of from a bird's eye view. So, all right, folks, thanks a lot. Appreciate you guys watching. Hey, hit that like, subscribe, notification button. Greatly appreciate it. I keep changing things, but I think I'm in a good groove now with the new name change and all that stuff. So I think we're good. So, all right, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.